Hi everyone, welcome back to 5 Minute Maths. Gonna try and get this one under 5 minutes today because most of these are going over 5 minutes. Anyway, this one is share and ratio. The first thing we do is we need to add the ratio together. So that's 2 plus 3. That's going to give us 5. Sounded a bit Scottish then, didn't I? Anyway, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the £20 and we're going to divide this by the 5 that we just calculated, and that is worth £4. Now this £4 is 1 part, so 1 part is equal to £4. Then the third and final thing, I'm just going to get a different colour here. So I'm going to start with the 2 and the 3 there, and then this 4 that I've just figured out, I'm going to times both these numbers by that 4, and that's going to get me £8, and it's going to get me £12 here. Sorry to interrupt you, just give me 1 second of your time, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so the way that we can double check that our answer is correct is we add these two numbers together, so 8 plus 12 gets us 20. That's the question in the first place, so that would be the final answer there. Okay, let's go on to the next question then. So this one says divide 55 grams into the ratio of 3 to 2. So step 1, add the ratio, we get 5. Step 2 is we do 55 divided by that 5. 55 divided through by 5 and we get 11. So I'm going to put 11 grams there because 1 part is now worth 11 grams. Next thing to do is take the 3 and the 2 of the ratio there, and we're going to times by the 11, times them both by that. That gives me 22 and 33. Am I correct? This is the answer. This is the thing you need to do for every single question. Answer, am I correct? How do I double check this? So add these two together, gets me 55. That's in the question in the first place, so it must be correct. Right, last question on this little section here. So we're going to start with saying 3 plus 7, we get 10. Next thing, let's say 350 divided by that 10, that gets us 35. We're talking in meters here, so this is 35 meters. So the next thing is we get the 3 and we get the 7, and we're just going to times both these numbers by 35. Okay, so 3 times by 35, well that gives us, let's do this on a calculator because I'm not lazy, that gets us 105, and then let's do 7 times by 35, and this will now give us 245. Is this correct? No idea, but we can check. We can add those two together and it gives us 350, so it must be correct. Okay, the last thing I want to do on this one in share and ratio is show you what happens if we've got more than the 2 ratio parts there. So for example, in this one, let's just get this on the screen. Yeah, so this one says we've got 1, 3 and we've got 4. Okay, so we've got 1, 3 and 4. So with this one, we're just going to add these together and that gets me 8. So notice how it doesn't matter how many ratiotic parts, that's a great word, isn't it? Ratiotic parts is 8. Just going to add them all up together, still the same sort of thing there. And then we just do the 40 divided by the 8 to get 5. Okay, and then look what happens. I'll get the 1, the 3 and the 4, and I'm timesing all of these by that 5. Okay, so that gives me 5, this gives me 15, and this gives me 20. Am I correct? No idea. Add them all together, gets me 40, so we must be correct. Okay, hope that all makes sense to everybody. And just a quick reminder, if anyone wants to join my weekly classes, everyone gets a free week. You can join on Monday or Tuesday, and the link is in the bio. Right, cheers everyone, speak soon, and I shall see you guys in the next one.